Why drive when you can ride? HARTransit makes getting around the Danbury area easy. In this HARTransit how-to video, we'll cover how to use the fare box. To pay with coins or bills, simply insert into the appropriate slot. Coins should be dropped in one at a time to avoid jamming the fare box. Bills should be inserted flat with corners unfolded. Do not place your fare in the driver's hand. Exact change is required. The fare box does not accept any bills over $1. To pay by electronic pass, insert the pass into the fare box. The fare box will scan the pass. For 10-day passes, it will stamp the time and deduct each use. For 30-day passes, it will stamp the activation and expiration date at first use. You can then swipe the pass for each use after activation. Single ride tickets from a 10-ticket book of passes are issued on routes where buses don't have electronic fare boxes, such as the Richfield-Katona shuttle. Discount fare riders must present the appropriate ID to the driver in order to receive the lower fare. Discount fare IDs include driver's license for senior citizens 65 and older issued by the Department of Motor Vehicles, Medicare ID issued by the Social Security Administration, Connecticut statewide transit ID issued by the State of Connecticut through Connecticut Transit, Sweetheart ID issued by HARTransit, or Student ID issued by high schools, colleges, or universities. To pay by a Metro-North Railroad issued unit ticket, just show the unit ticket to the bus driver. Weekly or monthly unit tickets are accepted on all HARTransit buses. If you need to continue on your journey by transferring to a second bus, transfers are issued free by your driver. Electronic transfer passes will need to be swiped at the fare box when you board the second bus. Paper transfers can be handed to the driver of the second bus. If your pass becomes damaged or is unreadable, please contact the HARTransit Administrative Office via our website at HARTransit.com or by calling 203-744-4070 or by visiting us at 62 Federal Road in Danbury. If you still have questions or require further assistance, we encourage you to watch our informational video series, visit our website at HARTransit.com, or call customer service at 203-744-4070. And thank you for riding HARTransit.